Apple may have just leaked one of the biggest iPhone camera upgrades in years. An alleged iPhone 18 Pro Max new box has appeared online, and hidden in the design is a feature Apple has never used on an iPhone before: a true variable aperture camera. This isn't just a software trick. The lens could physically open and close depending on the lighting. But here's where things get really interesting. Some reports suggest Apple could make this feature exclusive to the iPhone 18 Pro Max. So, has Apple finally found its next big camera revolution? Welcome to Science and Knowledge, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon as well to get the latest updates for our future videos. There are only a few weeks left until the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max reveal, and September is just around the corner. More and more interesting information is starting to leak online. This time, the alleged packaging for the two new Pro models has leaked, and at first glance there's nothing too surprising about it. However, upon closer inspection, one detail is definitely worth noting: a camera with a variable aperture. The box reveals more than it should. A leaked image shows a box containing the rear camera module. Its design suggests that variable aperture is one of the most significant innovations in camera technology. iPhone 18 long-term inversion. Apple hasn't used it in the iPhone before, and according to previous leaks, the new system should allow the lens aperture to physically change, depending on current lighting conditions. Therefore, this isn't just another software improvement for photography, but a real change to the camera itself. Apple has also implemented technology into the iPhone that has been used in some competing smartphones for several years. Therefore, it will be interesting to see how the company will use it in conjunction with its image processing system. According to current leaks, it is expected that its variation aperture can affect the performance of the main camera, and some reports even mention the possibility that this could happen. Apple has reserved this feature only for the iPhone 18 Pro Max. This would be quite interesting, as in the last generations of the Pro and Pro Max, their camera performance has become increasingly convergent. Of course, the leaked box information itself isn't official confirmation. The new iPhone 18 Pro Max smartphones are expected on September 9, 2026. For more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. For our future videos, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon as well.